हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चाइल्ड स्टडी वीएस। आज हम सीखेंगे A to Z अल्फाबेट। A for apple,
A for
B for
apple,
ball,
B for ball,
C for cow,
C for cow,
D for dog,
D for
E
dog,
for egg,
E for egg,
F for frog,
F for frog,
G for grapes,
G for grapes,
H for hen,
H for hen,
I for ice cream,
I for ice cream,
Z for jug,
Z for jug,
K for kite,
K for kite,
L for lion,
L for lion,
M for mango,
M for mango,
N for nose,
N for nose,
O for orange,
O for orange,
P for parrot,
P for parrot,
Q for queen,
Q for queen,
R for rabbit,
R for rabbit,
S for sun,
S for sun,
T for tiger,
T for tiger,
U for umbrella,
U for umbrella,
B for van,
B for van,
W for ball,
W for ball,
X for x-ray,
X for x-ray,
Y for yak,
Y for yak,
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.